How to contact TikTok support. Start out on your profile page. Then, in the top right corner, tap on the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. There may also just be a gear icon in the top right corner. TikTok does sometimes move this around. On the Settings and Privacy page, scroll all the way down towards the bottom. Then, under the Support and About section, tap on Report a Problem. Now, you'd think the thing would be to tap on Support, but Report a Problem is actually the one you want. Now, here you can see a bunch of different categories that pertain to different sort of issues you might experience on TikTok. Just for an example one, I'm just going to tap on Account and Profile, and then let's say Manage Accounts. Just for the sake of this video, I'll tap on the last one. And usually when you tap on something, it'll bring up a help page that looks something like this. If you want to actually contact TikTok support, then go to the very bottom of this page where you see "Is your problem resolved?" and tap on No. And then a new little box will pop up here that says "Need more help?" Go ahead and tap on that. Once you're on this TikTok help desk page, type "Contact support." And you'll see this little box will pop up that says "Submit a ticket." Go ahead and tap on that. And here's where you can actually type in exactly what you want to say to where a real person will read it and respond to you. So go ahead and just type something out, example, and then tap on the submit button. Now, I'm not actually going to submit this because I don't have any reason to contact TikTok support right now, but this is where you'll go to actually be able to reach a human. So that's all there is to it.